Hi Taryn, today I'm going to do a quick demo and my honest review about this new software has just launched about a month ago and I tested it 1 month full and I love it. So that's why I wanted to make this video quickly to show you exactly what you can get from the software and get the passive income. As you can see, this is my the website. This is only 10 days old. On the right and left side, I got approved by the Google Adsense in 7 days. This new software is auto blog posting software. You don't need to use your cron jobs. You are not going to use your hosting or anything. You're going to use their server, auto posting everything to your WordPress site. When we go to the backend of the site, then as you can see, this is the all published 108 different articles in 10 days. So when we click on one of the articles, software is not writing only the articles. It adds the internal link, the images, text automatically, and also adding the new feature image. When we go to the rank math plugin, the meta description also added automatically. So I just added the focus keyword, this keyword OnlyFans, to here. As you can see, it's 85 out of 100. This is really good score for the Google SEO. All the article will not come with the same results, 85 score. Some of them are 75, some of them are 69, 85. They're kind of all random, but it was 85. So I was kind of stunned, the quality of the articles. So basically, I didn't do anything to this website. Everything's automatically done. Writing articles, adding internal links, adding text. So every single day I just go to the Ahrefs website and looking at this graph, increasing graph right here, organic keywords and how many organic traffic. I just refreshed the page that this organic keywords has increased a little bit. So every single day it's increasing. I set passive income to these websites. So let me show you what I mean by that. When you first time log into the software, you must go to the settings, adding your OpenAI API key right here. So your articles will be written by OpenAI. Under the YouTube settings, you can add YouTube API key. Under Amazon settings, you can add your Amazon affiliate ID. If you want to add Unsplash images, pixels, and Pixabay images, you can add your API key inside of here, these boxes. Once you're done adding all this information, you can go to connect sites. As you can see, I have connected the 6 different websites already. These are under 1 month old. Contents posted 117 for the first one. The second one is 69 different contents posted about 11 hours ago. 145 article posted, and the last one article posted 6 hours ago, and this is 34, this is a brand new website that I created about 2 days ago. Everything's all connected. When we go to the site wizard, you can go ahead and click this new site to set up. This is where you can add site title, site tagline, and there's a site description. It's very important here because it will create your About Us page, Contact Us page, privacy policy, and so on based on your information. It will generate auto author bio. When you click on the start site setup, then it will take about 1 or 2 minutes to be done. So when this setup is done, then you can go to the campaigns. Click on new campaign. There are several different options. You can ask GPT to write the articles and auto posting on your websites. The first one is the informational post. You can add any of the keywords or URLs to rewrite or write the new articles. The easiest way is to find in keywords. You can go to the Google and just type in your keyword. And when you go to the scroll down a little bit, you can see all these keywords are the long tail keywords. So you can just copy them and adding keywords in here in this box. Then the GPT 3.5 or GPT-4 will write the article based on your keywords. You can add affiliate link or any of the links if you want to add. If you don't want to add any of the button, you can unclick them. If you have your own design of the banner or the button, you can add the URL inside of this box. Also, you can choose to add video embeds or adding images. The content customization, you can choose to write your article by using GPT 3.5 Turbo or GPT-4. If we use the GPT-4, that's going to be costly, as you can see right here, 10 times costly. Then you can choose this GPT model for outline generation. You can choose GPT-4 for that and then write the article for you. The language default is English, but you can change to different language if you want to. Point of view is the singular I, me, my, mine, or the other ones you can choose. Tone of voice is friendly, professional, or so on. And total number of the posts to create, they used to have limit 200 articles. You can increase it to the 2000. You can choose to publish all these articles immediately or to publish on schedule. You can set up one article per day to publish on your website. When you click on the post to WordPress, then you can choose your website and choose the specific category or let the software to create that for you. The second one is Amazon product review. When you click that, they have two different options. Single post review, products roundup. Let's say if you add money inside of this keyword box, then this software will go to the Amazon.com or Amazon, any of the websites you choose, which is right here, Amazon domain. It will scraping all this indexed keywords. It will find all this products and it will create review article. If you choose multiple products roundup, you can add up to 3 different URLs of the Amazon product, and the software will write the article that it's comparison 3 different products, and it'll be auto posting to your website. Brand new. This is the new feature. We can add up to 8 different products. So that means is that you can add up to 8 different URLs of the different products. It will make a comparison articles and make just review articles about these products and then posting them on your website. So the next one is other product reviews. This is just non-Amazon websites. If you find any of the products and then you just add the URL here, then this software will generate the review articles. The next one is going to be YouTube post. So once you add URLs of the channel or the specific video URL, then you can just add them here. This software will scrapping, write the article. And the last one is RSS feed. Just adding any of the RSS feed URLs in here. Once these websites have new contents on their websites, then this software will go and just rewrite that for you. About a month ago, when it's logged in, it didn't have RSS feed, and also some of the options here, they're very actively to adding new features. Once you visit their Facebook pages, everyone is eagerly to learn how to use the software, and I can see some of them are already having a lot of traffic. If you have any questions, you can go to the tickets page, ask any questions. If you go to resources, they have several different articles and videos inside of here. You can take a look. So let me show you the article right now. This is one of the articles that I used, the Amazon review. As you can see, this is the image of the products. I added the banner. So once I click on this images or the banner, then it will go to the Amazon page. And also this internal link has added automatically by using that software. So when I click them, it will go to another similar product page. This is the official websites you can purchase. There are some of the samples you can check. When we scroll down a little bit, they have a demo video. I watched all their videos to learn how to use the software. Their pricing is $12 per month. It will generate 500 articles per month. But you have to pay attention to this one, connect and sync websites. If you want everything's automatic, then you must choose at least $37 per month plan, which is it will generate 100 articles per month, sync and update with WordPress website. If you have just one website, then you can just choose $37 per month. But if you are thinking to posting a lot of articles just like me, then you need to take at least $97 per month. So if you're interested to create the website, but you don't know anything about the WordPress, let me know. I can make the website just like this. Of course, it's not going to be free, but I can help you to create the website just like this. Just learn it from me how to create the WordPress sites and adding articles like this, set up the campaigns, everything what I've done, then I can just show you exactly how I did. Let me know if you are interested. You don't want to learn anything, but if you want the website, let me know. I can just create one for you. If you have any thoughts, any opinions about this software, just leave a comment right below. Then I will check, and if there's anything I can help, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can watch the other My Honest Review.